Mainit-init pa guys sa kape. Ayan, si Sir Jude Bacalso na di umano ay nagbatayo ng waiter ng almost 2 hours dahil tinawag siya di umano ito na Sir. Ayan, nag-public apology na. Basahin natin guys, English. Earlier today, I sat down to quietly settle the matter with the restaurant management. One crew and the store supervisor who were present last night. The waiter I had a disagreement with was not present. After each one of us aired our sides, I am happy to share that we have agreed to pursue together more inclusive practices in the restaurant. I also realized that in the impassioned pursuit of my advocacy, I could have done with a little measure of kindness. Sadly, quite absent in the ruckus, this has all unnecessarily created when it was made public without our knowledge. I made a personal apology to the group present and requested if I may do so for the concerned waiter. I am also making it very public with this post as it has become quite public fodder. I also want to underscore that the management always had the back of their personnel with constant communication with me on behalf of their employees, who are all treated as a family, as I know personally from their history. To quote the supervisor, they served me as best as they could, even if it was most difficult for them to do so. I would like also to re- 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 I would like also to reiterate that I did not demand the waiter stand for the whole length of time, as I was explaining my side of the gender sensitivity issue. It was he who chose to stand in front of me as we waited to input from management who I attempted to contact. My apologies also to the rest of the staff who are disheartened by the way things have escalated, as well as to the customers present at that time. This is a huge chunk of humble pie that I must ingest because I have earned. May we start here with, as the supervisor pointed out, an uphill path to reconciliation, and we hope you will be able to allow us and yourselves to do so unhampered so we may all learn and heal from this. At ito'y nakakatawa guys. Basahin na natin yung mga comments sa Comsec. Ayan, ayan guys, grabe. Sir, yes sir. Ayan. Wala na akong makita guys dito na ibang comment kundi yan ang talaga. Binaha si sir ng comment na to. Sir, yes sir. Ayan guys, oh, di ba? Anong masasabi niyo dito? Comment down below.